Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Aviation 2K2 here. Today I'm gonna review to you guys another new model. Let me get it. Okay, this is my new model. Let me adjust the camera. Yes, this is the GeminiMacs 12400 Boeing Boeing C-17 Globemaster 3. I just hiccuped there, sorry. I think this aircraft is from Pittsburgh. I don't know. Probably this C-17 station in Pittsburgh, so they just named it Pittsburgh, just like the C5 Galaxy. I don't know where it came from. I don't know where it's based on. So yeah, I will leave the C5 Galaxy review right here. You can check it. Okay. Let's go. Let's continue. Yeah, this is just the normal Gemini jet box with a 1:400 scale die-cast model. Highly collectible, superior quality. I don't know about that. Realistic metal landing gear. I don't know. Phoenix may better landing gear. So, detail printed graphics, as real as it gets. Feature trademark. The last one is, I don't know, my first video contain two that's right, two broken models. My first video on YouTube. You guys can check it right here as well. Ooh. I bought this aircraft from Panda Fox Toy, Vietnam, and unfortunately it had been sold out. So lucky for me, I am the last buyer. I will leave the both links, Panda Fox Toy Vietnam and American, down in the description below. Remember to check it. Okay. This is just a normal Gemini jet box. The computer generate picture here of the C-17 and the code when you buy something under 14 years of age. Oh, I start collect this since I was 12. Oh, I'm the rule breaker. Open up, we can see the aircraft detail right here. You can pause and read it if you want. C-17 Globemaster. Yeah, this is the aircraft inside. Yeah, let's open this up. Next week I will have a final exam and I'm pretty confident about it. My physics, my math, and my English, of course, grammar not speaking, is kinda the best. Not chemist though. I hate chemists. Let's continue the video. If you watch my previous video, the C5 Galaxy, you will note that the wings and the fuselage merge together, so we cannot see the line like this in the C5 Galaxy. It's kinda cool because it looks like it's made from the one whole block of metal. It had the American flags, AFRC Pittsburgh 91189, and it also has the US Air Force logo right here. The US Air Force printed just behind the cockpit window. I have to say, I didn't expect it to be this small, but never mind. The US Air Force, the logo, The US Air Force, the US Air Force printed in this side as well. 1189. I don't know what AW mean. Let's moving on to the landing gears. Yeah, it has a small Gemini jet, a GeminiMacs printed below the fuselage. The landing gear does not roll nor tilt, as well as the front landing gear. Somehow I looked at this landing gear and feel a little bit disappointed because it's kinda, I don't know, Chinese. It look a bit clumsy. Yeah, it doesn't look very detailed. You notice that? Yeah. But I'll give it a pass. But -2 points for the landing gear. And the everything else is very nice. Especially the cargo door right here. You can just press it down, open up the cargo door like this, and you got yourself a fully open cargo door from the C-17 Globemaster. I have to say this model is kinda okay. I don't know, but it is not very great. What's happened below? Yeah, this is my This is my view from home. The tallest building in Vietnam. Oh, it's raining. And right there I can see the aircraft land from just next to the kaleidoscope. Right here, just land over here. And it's raining very hot, and so I will close my window because I sleep here next to the window. Yeah. Okay, back to the video. Yeah, the landing gear is kinda clumsy. Realistic metal landing gear. I don't know about that, man. I'm sorry about the noise behind me. Everything's so lively here in Vietnam. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys can, I know I have to say something, but I cannot remember. The noise had make me forgot what I'm about to say. Why I always... Oh yeah. The infinite flight. I am planning to shot some video about infinite flight, especially the infinite flight 2.20.1 version. To be honest, I have I have played infinite flight quite a while, about 3 years now, but I'm still in grade 3. Maybe in the future I will make some infinite flight video. If you like, if you guys want me to make a video about infinite flight, just a short haul flight from Ho Chi Minh to Nội Bài, and Nội Bài back to Ho Chi Minh. That's it. Remember, comment down below if you guys want to want me to make a video about infinite flight. That's it again. Hope you enjoy my video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.